Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you Coblight manufacturing and I will show you how to convert Coblight into a rechargeable energy saver. Now let's start our project. Dear friends, if you like this project, then don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next project notification. Now let's start our project. Here you can see that these Coblights. Dear friend, drop a comment about this Coblight. And there is energy saver, rechargeable energy saver. Here you can see the internal structure of this energy saver. There is charging port of this energy saver. There is backside. So friend, that's all about from my this project. So don't forget to subscribe and also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.